In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a database in Notion. Notion is an amazing tool that combines note-taking, task management, and database organization, all in one place. It's incredibly versatile for personal use, team collaboration, or managing complex projects. But sometimes, you might want to replicate a database to use it in another space or for a different purpose without starting from scratch. Let me guide you through the process of copying a database in Notion, ensuring you retain all the necessary information and settings. First, you'll need to open your Notion workspace and navigate to the page where your database is located. This could be a table, board, calendar, or any other type of database view. Once you're on the correct page, locate the database that you want to copy. As you hover over the database, you'll see a small 6-dot icon appear on the top left corner of the database. This is your draggable handle. Click on this icon to select the entire database. By clicking here, you're essentially grabbing the entire block of information, making it ready for copying. Now, go ahead and use the standard copy function. On most computers, you can do this by either right-clicking and selecting Copy from the drop-down menu or simply using the shortcut keys, which are typically Command-C on Mac or Control-C on Windows. This action copies the database into your system's clipboard, making it ready to be pasted elsewhere within your Notion workspace. The next step is finding or creating the page where you'd like to paste your copied database. This can be any existing page you want to use or a new one that you create. To create a new page, simply navigate back to your workspace, and on the left-hand sidebar, you'll find a button labeled New Page. Click on this button to set up a blank canvas, giving your new database a home to live in. Once you're on the desired page, it's time to paste your database. Simply right-click and select Paste from the menu, or use the shortcut keys again, Command-V on Mac or Control-V on Windows. And there you have it. Your database is now copied and pasted into its new location, complete with all its contents and settings intact. This method is incredibly efficient for when you want to replicate complex structures without doing repetitive work. Remember, duplicating a database doesn't create a link between the original and the copy, so any changes made in one won't affect the other. This lets you modify each one independently, which can be incredibly useful for managing different projects that require a similar starting structure but diverge as they progress. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to explore more ways of leveraging Notion's powerful features to optimize your workflow. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more helpful guides.